Welcome back. I am finally finished with the horizontal scrolling blog posts. I know I sort of finished it in the last episode, but oh man, I've had so many issues with it. Trying to get it run. I don't know what I changed, but for some reason it just would not run. It wouldn't import the themes, and it couldn't find the fonts again. And I'd left it how I left it. I don't know what it was doing, but I've switched over from Slick Carousel and I'm now using one called Embla. Embla. It sounds a bit like Ember, but Embla Carousel, and it seems quite good. It honestly, it took me 5 minutes to set up. It's pretty good and it works. So all it is, I've installed wherever it is, Embla. There it is, Embla Carousel React. I have them. Has to be use client. You then get or import use Embla Carousel. Make a reference. I think a reference array. I think. I don't really get that, and then put the reference in there, and then stick Embla and Embla container, and then stick a little bit of CSS, and it works. I'm leaving it done. So the next thing that I need to do is filter out the horizontal post to be the last 5, so the latest 5, or latest 3, I guess. I mean, I've only got 3 at the moment, but I can add more. So what I'm going to do is, if we go onto the blog page, so blog page, this gets all the blog posts. I'm then going to, do I want to filter it down here? Or yeah, so I guess I can just grab, so it sorts it on here. So sort, I could probably grab that sort here, and then like that, because we always want to sort them by the latest one. So all blogs equals or blogs.sort, because they should always be with the greatest published date. And then what I want to do is let the latest blogs equal all blogs. Can I just do, how do I do, so JavaScript array take first n. Oh, it's a slice, not a take. So slice 3, and then I can pass the latest blogs to this. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, have I got to do? There we go. And if I do 2, okay, perfect. So now we've got the latest blogs and we've got the all blogs. We can then go for we can do this, and we can go all blogs. So that is this one filtered, and then we've got all my blogs here. So now let's just copy and paste my scrolling wrapper. Let's just do all blog list. This is going to be all blog list. This is going to take in all the blogs. We obviously don't need the carousel stuff, so let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. it's going to let's get rid of this stuff. We'll keep the div around it. We'll keep the map, and then we do want to import a blog card, I guess. So let's get rid of this as well, and then we can, what we can do is, I guess, import all blog list and then pass it all blogs equals all blogs. Oh, would help if I closed off the tag. There we go. Okay, cool. I mean, we should probably get some more. So let me just to confirm that it works, let's copy these. So this one can be Hello World 4, and this one's going to be Hello World 5. And if that reloads, so now we've got the first 3 on here, and let's just make sure. So Hello World's going to be the latest, so this is going to be I don't know what format this date's in, but today is the 30th of the 11th. This could break it if it's in the wrong format. Okay, looks good. Let's put Hello World 3 next. So let's pretend, okay, I wrote this 5 days ago. Okay, so maybe it is the other way around. 11, 25. Hold up a minute. 11:25. Let's try that. Huh. Okay, and then we go. Hold on. Hold up. Why is this not working? So it's a new date. Metadata published at is greater than the metadata published at, then return -1, otherwise return 1. So something should have changed. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Hello World 3, Hello World 2. Perfect. Okay. So that now works. I think I want these blogs to be slightly different. Yeah, I think I want the image and then the text, so it's got like a nice so it takes up sort of the whole screen. And then these are different. Yeah, because I want them to look quite different. So this is our blog card, and it's just a big old link. And then, so if I copy this, and we're going to call this a blog list item, and we're gonna do the same here. So let's do that. And then it's also going to inherit from blog card, I guess. But this is going to be, it is still going to be the whole thing as a link, but instead of a blog post, we're going to do blog list item. We can probably get rid of the scrolling wrapper stuff. Yep, cool. And really, this should have updated, because this is now no longer. Oh, I know what I didn't do. I need to change this. So this is now blog list item. Okay. And we want the whole thing to be a link, but we want two separate things. So we want the image on the left, and then we want the text on the right. We don't need an overlay. And we want the blog list item to, let's come down here. I want it to be display flex. Oh. So the blog list item is going to display flex, and I think it needs to be flex 50%. Basically, I want it side by side. Okay, well, let's just do max width of 100 pixels. Or 150. 200. Okay, so max width of 200 pixels. And then let's do a flex 50-50. 2-column flex that. Oh, I think I need to put it on here. Flex 50%. And then this can have flex of 50%. No, okay. Flex 0, 50. So if I do, I can do it in Tailwind actually. Flex 50%. Let's see what Tailwind can do. I do need to do some research on Tailwind because cancel. Let's do that. Come on. Flex basis. Here we go. So if I do, if I go on my blog list item, class name, basis that, and that. In theory, no. Flex basis 50%. Hold up a wee minute. So 1/4 is 25%. I assume. Why have I done this wrong? I just want 2 columns. What am I doing? Why can I not figure this out? This is display flex. Cool. Is it because this does need a max width? 200 pixels. Or a max width of 50%. Okay, we can do that. And then we're going to put a slight gap in there. So gap of 10 pixels. Okay, so is there an actual gap 2 maybe. Let's just get up the Tailwind docs. So Tailwind flex. Okay, flex. What about flex gap? There we go, gap. And we want a column gap, row gap, gap px, gap 3. Okay, what about if we do gap 4? Okay, so let's give our image so dot blog list item image max width of 50%. That's fine. And then we want on here, we want to do a gap of 3. Cool. And then we want justify center. I assume that works like that. It might not. Justify content and align content, align items even. Oh, no. How do I put these in the middle? Image container. This should justify content center. No, align item center. Okay, so deflex and align item center on the image container. Deflex and items center. I don't even know if is it deflex? Where is my, here it is, flex. Oh no, display. Display, oh, it's just flex. Okay. Let's just put flex. There we go. Okay, that works. That works. And then I wonder if I can page. So let's go for a next, I don't know, paging, pagination. Actually, it's next UI. Next UI exports 3, pagination. Okay, let's see if we can do this then. Set up page module. Contacts, get initial props. Take 4, sort, direction, blah, 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 blah. This is agility. Can I just... get static paths. This is annoying. How to add, okay, I should have just clicked on the first link. Data fetching. Get static props function always runs on the server. Next.js will pre-render the page at build time using the props returned by get static props. Fetch API will be used to get data previously mentioned by the endpoint. So, okay, I want to get that. The data returned from the props will be destructed in the home component, so it can be logged in the console. This will confirm the data has been fetched. So in the console, we should have a post with an array of 100 objects as it was specified in the JSON type of code website. So we go, data.map, and we're returning 100 of those. Cool. For the pagination component, we'll create an source and component folder. Inside component, we'll create a pagination.js, which will be rendered in the index file. The page nation rendered an index will have 4 properties: items, current page, page size, on page changed. Okay, the page size will be set to 10. Okay, and then we will destructure these 4 properties in page nation and use them for page nation implementation. So pages count math.clim item over divided by page size. If page count is 1, blah 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 blah. The items will be divided by the page size. Next, we can map over the array and render the value. And then the styling will be done in that. Let's see what we have. Okay. So let me try and implement that, because I think that will be quite nice. Okay. Okay, let's get a page nation. So let's new file whoa, I can't spell pagination.tsx. We're gonna have that first. We are then going to, okay, first off, in our all blogs list, we are going to want to grab page nation. It's lowercase p. There we go. Use state from React. And eventually we'll want styles, but for now it's fine. So we'll have const current page and set current page. We'll get the page size. Okay, let's do all of these. Right. So the page size is 10. For now, we're just going to set the page size to 2. And then we're going to have our stuff. And what we'll do is at the bottom of the blogs list, let's put it here. Yeah. Okay. And we can do that. So this is going to be all blogs.length, which for now is going to be like 5. Page size is going to be 2, and the current page is 1. Cool. Okay. And then we're going to change our page nation to do this. No? Page nation is not a module. Oh. Like that. Okay, so we've got that at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 pages. That's good. Cool. Now we can map over the pages array and render the value 1 to 10 inside it. There will be an anchor element for each of the values. For each of the values where the onClick function will be implemented. So we've got the if pages is 1 return null, and then we've got const pages array from the pages count, blah blah blah. Okay, so now let's do our div, and then oh yeah, we need to import the import styles from, oh, he has a separate styles thing, but for us we're just gonna go like this, and we're gonna go page nation .module.css or pagination, and then the styling of the pagination will be done in the home module CSS. So let me just grab a new CSS file, pagination. Let's try .module.css, see what that does. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. And once we scroll down, we should see a box. Yep. So when any part of the box is clicked, we set the current page number. Okay, well, it's not doing anything yet. So, and then we need to add the function. We still have 100 posts. To implement this, we'll create a helper function in the paginate.js file. Okay. Oh, paginate. Paginate.js. This is going to be a helper function. This function will be called and the argument will be passed. Oh, okay, and then we're using these, so where do we want to go? Blog, not the item, not the cards, all blogs list, here we go. So, and then I guess we want to do this. We want to import paginate from paginate. Okay, hold on. How? Oh, there we go. Do you mean to import? Yeah, I did. I did mean to import that. There we go. And then that should be all blog posts. And this, I guess, should be that. Okay, that doesn't work. So hence the data is passed to the items array of data coming back from the API endpoint. The current page represents the page number and the page size is passed in as a page size. In the pagination function, the start index is first extracted, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Well, this isn't working for me. So why does this not work? We need to have on page change. Oh, okay, it's setting it there. That's fine. Set the current page. Page size is 2, which we're passing in to this method. And we've got the items. We're slicing them up. Start index plus page size. And then in here, we're passing in the items. No, actually, I think we should still be passing in all blocks. It doesn't like this. Let's just do... Let's just do this, and then I can properly... Actually, no, it should technically work. Yeah. But I just don't know. So here we're creating our... So this is the different pages. And so this is the items. So we need to send the pagination all the items. And then in the all blog list, I would have thought we wanted to I think it's that. Failed to compile. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a bit janky, but it works. Okay, fantastic. All right, so I will tidy that up. I'll tidy that up afterwards, but we do have a nice, well, we've got the nice horizontal scroller and we've got an all blog posts list. Fantastic, with pagination as well. Pagination, however you want to say it. I'm happy with that. I think I need to, let me have a look. So I do want to convert it all to CSS, SCSS, sorry, because it'll be a lot nicer. I also want to separate out into its own styles folder, I guess. I then need to write some actual blog posts. So we've actually got content on there. And we just need to, I guess, do the desktop version. Desktop version of blog page. Blogs page. Cool. And then we can do individual blog post page. I think that's it for the sort of blog posts. Okay. Awesome. All right. Well, thank you for joining me on my my quest to learn Next.js and React as well, and JavaScript and everything, and just become a generally better developer. God, I need to learn English as well. Yeah, if you've enjoyed, if you've watched this far, thank you very much. But if not, then you're never going to see this. So I will see you next time.